By 2030, the way we work will look very different, and I'll show you what's coming. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the one skill that will be more valuable than any degree in the AI era. AI is already automating repetitive tasks, from data entry to customer support. By 2030, many routine jobs will be handled by machines. But that doesn't mean fewer jobs overall. It means different jobs. Roles will shift toward creativity, problem solving, and managing AI systems. We'll see brand new professions: AI ethicists, prompt engineers, algorithm auditors, and human AI collaboration specialists. These jobs didn't exist a few years ago, but they'll be in high demand. Healthcare will use AI for diagnostics, finance for fraud detection, and education for personalized learning. Even agriculture will rely on AI-powered drones and sensors. Every industry will be touched. The most valuable skills won't just be coding. Critical thinking, adaptability, and creativity will matter more than ever. Learning how to work with AI, not compete against it, will be the key. AI is powerful, but it lacks empathy, ethics, and human judgment. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, leadership, and trust will remain uniquely human. So, the future of work isn't about AI replacing us. It's about AI working alongside us. The real winners will be those who learn to adapt and grow with these changes. What skill do you think will matter most in 2030? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and AI insights every week.